Let's install a portable SSD in your Tesla. Portable SSDs hold more hours of recording and are more reliable when they read-write, especially compared to the USB stick that comes with the 2021 and newer Teslas. First, find a well-reviewed portable SSD from a reputable brand. I recommend getting a 500 gigabyte one, though you can go large if you really want. You just have to be mindful that larger ones may require more power from your car, and the USB port is limited to 2 watts of power, at least as of November 2021. And try to find one with the latest USB version that still works within Tesla specs. Easier yet, just Google articles that cover the best portable SSDs to see which ones for sure work and are the best. I have a 500 gigabyte portable SSD from Samsung. I've used this for 3 months and it's worked perfectly with no issues and is fast and easy to download videos on my computer. If you have a 2021 or newer Tesla, the USB port is in your glove box. Older models can find theirs in the front part of their center consoles. Before removing any USB stick or portable SSD that's there, go to the freaking giant touchscreen display to safely eject the device. This is just like ejecting a device on a computer. Look at the Dashcam icon in the upper right. If there is a red dot on it, then it is recording. Make sure the red dot is gone before removing. To turn off and pause recording, press and hold the icon until the red dot disappears. Now, the Dashcam is paused and you can safely remove your stick or portable SSD. Now plug in your new device. Well, that was easy. Now you need to format your new device. Before you format, know that if you are using a device that already had files on it, those files will be deleted. So make sure you aren't going to lose anything before proceeding with formatting. Go back to the giant screen that you can play video games on. Click on the car controls icon, go to Safety and Security, then click the Format USB Device button. You're done, and your Dashcam is ready to record instantly. You can also format your portable SSD from your computer, but it's a little more involved. You can find instructions in the manual online if you wish to do this. Be sure to go to your Dashcam and Sentry Mode settings to configure those how you'd like. Thank you for watching. Comment if you have any questions, and I'll annoyingly ask you to like and subscribe. I'll see you up north.